quite a change from yesterday when it was completely green outside. And yeah, today's video is going to be all about change to what's happening in this channel post Veta, because things are coming. So the first big change that's coming to the channel is that as things open up, I'm sticking with the astronomy theme, but I'm going to be switching more to night photography and wilderness photography, because one of the great things I love to do with astrophotography is go out to like dark skies, go out camping, all that stuff like this. And I know a lot of people have been asking for nightscape shots and nightscape time lapses. I have done one or two on this channel, but overall, I really need to go places where there's a lot more interesting foreground objects. So I'm looking forward to doing that this summer, and it should be a lot of fun. The other big change that's going to be coming to this channel, and I'm not exactly sure when, because I have to work on actually raising some money. So if you want to help with this, definitely the Buy Me a Coffee link below would be super helpful. Is I'm going to be making a big switch from Nikon cameras to Sony, and I will have a video about that. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave those in the comments, because I've been mulling this for like months now, and part of the reason I'm making this switch is because I want to improve the content quality on this channel. And while Nikons are absolutely amazing for photography, when it comes to hybrid shooting and some of the stuff I'm looking at doing, earlier comment about camping, the Sonys actually have several advantages over the Nikon as of the date of this filming. Maybe Nikon in the next couple months will come out with something absolutely fantastic, and I'll say, maybe this Sony switch isn't as great of an idea as I thought, but chances are that's not happening. I think their entire R&D effort is currently being spent getting the Z9 out to market this year, hopefully. So yeah, as you might guess, that's probably one of the reasons that I'm looking at switching. But that will be coming, and that'll mean improved audio, improved video, because I'll actually have like a flip screen. I'll be able to see what I'm doing. I find that when I film with a flip screen, it's a lot easier. As anyone who's seen any of my narrative works, that's been mostly shot with the Lumix GH series. And I thought about switching to Lumix, but yeah, Micro Four Thirds sensors don't do a really good job at night. And given that most of this channel, unlike today, is shot at night, yeah, full frame all the way. Another big change to this channel that's coming is content production. So back in 2021, I was filming about a video a week, and occasionally I would miss a week or two, 1 times 3, because it takes a long time to produce astrophotography videos. Anyone who's doing astrophotography videos knows this is, you know, unless you're doing it like full-time hardcore and people are sending you products to test out all the time, it's really hard to go and just keep producing content of quality. So I did that in 2021. Then in December, I did Vlogmas, which was basically a video every day, similar to Veta, which I'm doing right now, except for the fact that it was Christmas, and well, I had a lot of Christmas presents I could review. So that was great. Then in 2021, I've been sort of trying to produce again a video a week, trying to get 2 videos a week. And I'm doing Veta this time, and Veta is vlog every day in April. So I have another 9 days of that coming along. So that's gonna be fun. But after Veta, you're gonna definitely start seeing a lot more content on the channel. I've learned stuff from Vlogmas and Veta that have really helped me sort of learn, 1, what kind of videos I like to produce, and 2, how to produce those videos quickly. Because there's a couple videos I really like to make, but they just take forever to make. And I have like 3 or 4 of those that are like, they may never hit the channel, to be completely honest, because they just take too long. The other aspect I have with video production is I like doing more than just astronomy. As I said, camping, wilderness stuff. So I want to do some reviews of like camping gear, trail hiking gear, adventure gear, because like for me, I look and say, if you want the full package of who I am and what I do, I don't just go to work, come home, and look out a telescope. I have a lot of other stuff. I go traveling, and I've gotten some really amazing night shots while I've traveled that I haven't even shared on this channel, because I'm like, oh, no, those are travel videos. But the reality is that they are still astronomy related, they're still night photography related, they're me related. So you're going to see that coming forward. Sorry for the interruption. I wanted to jump in here and also say that I'm looking at doing a lot more content on the computer in terms of tutorials to improve your photography, your time lapse, all this good stuff. There's a lot of neat tricks and tips I can give you. Plus, there's a lot of new software that's AI technology that I've been playing around with, and now I'm sort of getting an idea of how to really use and not abuse that technology. I want to share how to do that on this channel as well, so you should expect to see a lot more software tutorials coming as well. And I hope you continue to join me on this adventure as 2021 evolves. Still a lot of question marks as to what's exactly going to go happen as the world is sort of adjusting to, I guess, what we're going to call the new reality. But I know for me, I'm going to be basically trying to up that scale to 2 videos a week. Most weeks we'll have 2 videos. Occasionally you might have 1 big video if I have something I'm really working on, but overall I'm going to try to do that and get those videos out. I've also listened to a lot of the comments that I've gotten here on the channel itself, but also where the video's been shared on Facebook and Reddit and Twitter and stuff like that about some of the stuff that people who comment back and talk to me say, here's something I would love to know, because I like to adjust what the channel is made based on what people enjoy, but also the feedback I get. Because it's great when you hit a like. I always like a video, like hit a like on this video. And it's great if you decide that this is the video you're gonna subscribe on. Perfect. But if you don't leave me a comment below, I don't know what you liked about the video, what you might have not liked the video, what is something you'd love to see as an improvement. And if you're saying, I'm interested in subscribing, but I'm not quite there yet, what's gonna do it for you? And no, it's not send me 10 bucks. I'm not sending anyone money to subscribe to my channel. That's crazy. That's not happening. I do know some people have asked for some more giveaways, and I'm hoping to do those, I'm going to say soon. But the reality is I'm still a pretty small YouTuber. I don't have a lot of funds. Anything I make off of this channel is basically going back to improving the quality of the channel. So I'm hoping to do something around 2,000 subscribers. I've gotten a couple things ready to go, but if I'm going to do a giveaway, I want to do a good one, and one that's going to basically reward people who are watching the channel and have been around a while versus the, hey, I'm doing a giveaway, hope everyone subscribes, but I'm not going to tell you to subscribe. I don't do that. That's just shooting yourself in the foot. So yes, that's coming soon. And if you're wondering how soon, check out my subscriber rating. I think it's at 1450-ish now, so still a little ways to go, but I'm hoping this summer I'll hit the 2,000 mark, and I got some neat prizes together. But a lot of this is also going to be dependent on how fast I can switch over to Sony, because yeah, I've got some old cameras that I would really like to get rid of that are just too much of a hassle to try to sell. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge, wink. I'm wearing sunglasses. You can't see that, but you get the idea. And yes, I'm wearing sunglasses because it's bright out here because of all the snow. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in future videos. And as I said before, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you really want to help me, grab one of the videos that you absolutely loved from my channel and share it on your socials, because the more people who watch my videos, the happier I am. Unless they say bad things in the comments, and I'm not going to be very happy. But that, I guess, is a given. Bye.